Do you want to sell digital downloads but don't have the time to create products from scratch? What if you could start today with ready made resources you can edit and resell? No AdSense or huge audience needed. Well, let me introduce you to my new digital bundle that will solve that problem for you just like that. This 7 product master resale rights bundle is built for creators like you who want real income fast but don't have the time. Inside the bundle, you'll get create digital products with ChatGPT using AI to brainstorm and build irresistible products. That's an ebook. The other ebook bundle is 10 done for you ebooks, fully written guides ready to rebrand. The other is digital marketing, how to sell digital products, learn the funnels that turn visitors into buyers. Canva crash course, design graphics without hiring a pro. How to sell on Etsy, open your shop and start earning. Social media guide, it will help you promote on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. How to become a content creator, it will help you to build authority and trust with your audience. Here's why all of these are valuable. Each comes with master resale rights. That means you edit, brand, and sell them as your own with your name on them, keeping 100% of the profit. It's perfect for YouTubers, bloggers, coaches, and anyone wanting to launch a digital product business. Ready to stop waiting on YouTube partner program? Well, this is the bundle for you. Click the link in this in the video description to grab the bundle now. You get instant access and start selling today. Turn your channel into a business that you control without creating products from scratch. It's just as simple as that. And you don't have to be monetized. No 1,000 subscribers, no 4,000 watch hours. This is going to be your business. And I'm giving you the tools. So go grab it right now. Take care now.